Have you ever found yourself gazing at the stars, pondering the mysteries of the universe and your place in it? It's a question as old as humanity itself, a quest for profound knowledge that transcends the material realm. Our ancestors looked to the heavens for answers, seeking wisdom in the cosmos. They crafted intricate philosophies, like constellations in the mind, to navigate the vast expanse of existence. This yearning for understanding, this hunger for meaning, is a fundamental part of who we are. It drives us to delve into the depths of our consciousness, to explore the outermost reaches of philosophical thought. It leads us to mystical philosophies, systems of belief that offer a different lens through which to view the world, a window into the unknown. These philosophies promise a sense of connection, a feeling of unity with the cosmos. One such philosophy, steeped in history and mystery, is that of the Rosicrucians. The Rosicrucians, a secretive society that traces its roots back to the early 17th century, offer a unique perspective on life's profound questions. These mystics, known for their deep knowledge and understanding of the universe, started to gain prominence during the period of Renaissance, a time of great intellectual and cultural upheaval. The Rosicrucians, like many other esoteric groups of the time, drew their inspirations from a variety of sources, including ancient Greek philosophy, Christian mysticism, and the wisdom of the Far East. The result was a unique blend of philosophical and spiritual ideas that continue to inspire and intrigue individuals to this day. Central to Rosicrucian philosophy is the belief in the unity of the universe. They hold that all things from the smallest grain of sand to the largest galaxy are interconnected and interdependent. This interconnectedness, they believe, extends not only to the physical world, but also to the spiritual realm, creating a web of existence that spans across all levels of reality. This unity is further emphasized through the principle of correspondence, a key concept in Rosicrucian philosophy. This principle, often summarized as above, so below, suggests that the patterns and laws we observe in the cosmos are also reflected within ourselves. Essentially, we are the universe in miniature, a microcosm reflecting the grand macrocosm. The Rosicrucians also advocate for the importance of self-knowledge in personal transformation. They believe that by understanding ourselves, we can better understand our place in the universe and our impact on the world around us. This inward journey is not a solitary pursuit, but rather a communal one, as it involves treating others with compassion and caring for the environment, aligning with the principle of correspondence. At the heart of Rosicrucian philosophy is the principle of correspondence, as above, so below, reminding us of our deep connection to the cosmos. In Rosicrucian philosophy, humans are seen as microcosms of the universe. We as individuals are not separate from the vast cosmos, but rather tiny reflections of it. Each one of us carries within our being the elements and principles that make up the universe. This understanding of interconnectedness is not only a philosophical concept, but a pathway towards self-knowledge and personal transformation. We are mirrors of the cosmos, and by exploring our own nature, we delve into the nature of the universe itself. As we journey inward, we discover that our character traits, emotions, and thoughts echo the grandeur and complexity of the cosmic web. This concept of the microcosm and macrocosm is embodied in the principle of correspondence, articulated as above, so below. It suggests that the patterns we observe in the heavens are reflected on Earth and within ourselves, from the orbits of planets to the cycles of nature, and even in the rhythm of our own breath, we see the same universal laws at play. This idea is not just a philosophical musing, but a call to action. As microcosms of the universe, we have a responsibility to reflect its harmony and balance. Our actions, thoughts, and feelings have ripple effects, influencing not just our personal lives, but the world around us. But how do we align ourselves with the cosmos? The answer lies in inner alchemy. Just as alchemists sought to transform lead into gold, we too can transmute the impurities of our souls into virtues. Through introspection, we can identify our shortcomings and work on transforming them into strengths. By fostering qualities such as compassion, understanding, and patience, we align ourselves with the harmony of the cosmos. This process of transformation is not a one-time event, but a lifelong journey of self-improvement and spiritual growth. In essence, to understand the universe, we must first understand ourselves. As we transform, we not only change our personal world, but also contribute to the universal harmony. Through inner alchemy, we can transmute the impurities of our souls into virtues, aligning ourselves with the greater cosmos. Symbols play a crucial role in Rosicrucian philosophy, serving as keys to understanding the cosmos and the self. In the mystical realm of Rosicrucianism, symbols are not mere artistic expressions. They are potent carriers of profound wisdom, embodying the ancient Hermetic knowledge that transcends the confines of spoken language. They are visual manifestations of the cosmic principles, meant to guide us on a journey of self-discovery and spiritual enlightenment. One of the most recognized symbols in Rosicrucian philosophy is the rose and cross. This symbol is a testament to the unity of the divine and the human, the spiritual and the material, bridging the gap between the earthly and the ethereal. The cross, a symbol of the earthly plane, represents our physical existence, the material world we navigate daily. The rose, in its blooming glory, symbolizes the blossoming of the spiritual self, the divine essence within us that yearns for enlightenment. The rose and cross also integrate various elements, each conveying different aspects of existence. The sun, radiating its light unconditionally, embodies knowledge and wisdom. The moon, a beacon in the night sky, symbolizes intuition, imagination, and the unconscious, guiding us towards inner truths. Water, the life-sustaining element, signifies life, renewal, and purification, while fire, with its transformative power, signifies energy, passion, and change. Earth, our home, represents stability, materiality, and the physical body, grounding us in our human experience. These elements are not isolated. They interact, they influence each other, they balance each other, reflecting the interconnectedness of the cosmos. They serve as a reminder that we too are part of this grand cosmic dance, mirroring these elements within us, embodying the macrocosm in our microcosmic existence. In essence, the symbol of the rose and cross is a map, a guide, a compass, directing us towards the path of spiritual enlightenment. It is a visual representation of the Rosicrucian philosophy, encapsulating the unity of the universe, the principle of correspondence, the pursuit of self-knowledge, and the transformative process of inner alchemy. The symbol of the rose and cross serves as a reminder of our divine connection and our journey towards spiritual enlightenment. So, how does one embark on the Rosicrucian path to enlightenment? Embarking on the Rosicrucian path to enlightenment is a journey of self-discovery and unity with the cosmos. It begins with recognizing our interconnectedness, with understanding that we are not separate entities, but part of a vast, complex universe. In this journey, we embrace compassion as a guiding principle. It is through compassion that we truly connect with others, acknowledging their struggles, rejoicing in their triumphs, and seeking to alleviate their suffering. Compassion is not just about empathy for our fellow human beings, but extends to all living beings. Environmental stewardship is another key aspect of the Rosicrucian path, recognizing the principle of correspondence. As above, so below, we understand that our actions have a ripple effect, impacting the world around us. We learn to care for our environment, understanding that by doing so, we are caring for ourselves. Personal astrology plays a significant role in the Rosicrucian journey to enlightenment. It provides insights into our personality traits and challenges, helping us navigate life's ups and downs. By understanding the celestial movements and their influence on us, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. Seeking spirituality is at the heart of the Rosicrucian path. It is not about following a set of rules or adhering to a specific creed. Rather, it is about exploring the mysteries of life, seeking answers to the profound questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. It is about finding meaning, purpose, and connection to the universe. This journey is not an easy one. It requires patience, courage, and openness to new ideas. It involves inner alchemy, transmuting the impurities of our soul into virtues for self-improvement. As we walk this path, we begin to see the world in a new light. We understand that we are not merely spectators in a cosmic play, but active participants, shaping our destiny and contributing to the unfolding of the universe. In the journey of life, Rosicrucian philosophy offers a path that leads us towards understanding, transformation, and ultimately, enlightenment. Our exploration of Rosicrucian philosophy has led us through a labyrinth of profound knowledge. We've delved into the unity of the universe, understanding that interconnectedness fuels our spiritual enlightenment. We've pondered the principle of correspondence, a cosmic mirror reflecting, as above, so below. We've come to see ourselves as microcosms of the universe, each of us a fascinating mix of elements and principles. Our journey has shown us the importance of self-knowledge in personal transformation, and the potential of inner alchemy in transmuting the impurities of the soul into virtues. We've touched on the power of symbols, those keys to unlocking the cosmos and the self. And we've seen how the Rosicrucian symbol of the rose and cross captures the mystical union of the divine and human, spirituality and matter. As we continue our quest for knowledge, may the wisdom of the Rosicrucians guide us in the journey of understanding the cosmos and the mystery within ourselves.